we've got two girls,
Hi.
a dead battery, and a running vehicle. And they are gonna make it into two running vehicles.
Yay.
All right, Maddie, come on over here. All right, so the first thing we gotta do is pop the hood. So you're gonna look in there for the hood release. They're in different places on different vehicles. Oh, she found it. There we go. All right. Now this is the tricky part on my truck. So Emily, I'm gonna have you film. Come stand over here. Yeah. This one here, the wheel guard is a little hard to get. Thank you. All right, so we've got our jumper cables out already. This is our source battery. This is our destination battery. All right, so each of you grab an end of the jumper cables. And go to your respective battery. All right, so you always hook up to the dead one first. Don't touch the handles together. Okay, you got to keep the handles separate. Okay. Now, when you hook these up, just like the battery is hooked up red and black. See how you got a red wire here and a black wire over there? That's how you're going to hook yours up. And you always hook the black one up first. Hook the black one up first. There you go. Yeah, now just squeeze it open and clamp it. There you go. The better the grab you can get, the better. Okay, there you go. And then that's got that perfect bar for that. All right, Maddie, now this is where you got to be careful. Don't touch them together and don't touch any metal part of the vehicle. Okay? Now you take and hook your black one to the ground. Yeah. Okay, and then you hook your red one up to the red. Yeah. Okay, well, try and get a bigger bite out of it. Don't be afraid of this. Here, look. You're trying to, I don't know why you're trying to. If you, the higher up on the handles you squeeze it, the more leverage you'll have. There you go. Try that. All right, Emily. Now what you're gonna do is get in there and turn the ignition on.
Let's go! We did it!
All right, now quickly unhook yours. Keep the red. Okay, now don't touch anything with this. Okay, you can drop the black. Drop the black and just hold on to the red one.
Okay.
And make sure you don't touch anything else. You unhook the red first. There you go. Now grab the black. There you go. There you go. And you roll those back up real nice. Yeah, that works. It does. And we're gonna put those away. See, girls can fix cars too.
Bye!